Tomorrow, gun shops are expected to be allowed to reopen here in Massachusetts. They had been part of Governor Charlie Baker's coronavirus non-essential business closures. And the move comes after a U.S. district judge said Baker's orders posed an improper burden on our constitutional rights. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us live with more. Audrey.
Chris, at today's press briefing, the governor seemed unsure as to where the order stands, claiming that the judge only discussed his intention and hadn't officially ruled yet. However, the governor said he wouldn't appeal the judge's words.
It could be that my folks are wrong and you're right. The bottom line is we're just going to comply with whatever he says.
I spoke with a local gun shop owner about the prospect of reopening after weeks of having doors closed.
Like every other small business, we're affected by being out of business for a month or more.
Walter Lamont is an owner of Culverine Firearms in Feeding Hills. The activity in front of his gun store is non-existent, a product of being closed in the coronavirus pandemic. Governor Charlie Baker did not include gun stores as essential businesses in his initial closure order. A U.S. district judge has said gun shops can reopen, but claims they must follow strict social distancing rules like staff wearing face masks, sanitizing frequently touched surfaces, and operating by appointment only.
We read the judge's order, and we're in the process of setting up appointments, 4 per hour, 4 people to come in, and people are already filling the time slots for the appointments that we're making.
Lamont tells Western Mass News he's anticipating a lot of business from the community.
It's sad that it had to take an order like this to do what's reasonable. People are concerned and upset for their safety. And, the legal use, ownership, use, and recreation as well of firearms is important to a significant portion of our population.
As for the rest of the reopening guidelines, the governor indicated today that his reopening advisory board would be speaking about religious gatherings and speaking with faith leaders in the coming days. Live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.